Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize customer journey mapping with ClickFunnels step by step clearly. Begin by defining your customer journey map. Identify the key stages of the customer journey, from awareness to purchase. Gather data on customer behavior through surveys and analytics. Outline each stage with specific goals and touchpoints. Use ClickFunnels to create a funnel that aligns with these stages. Start by selecting a funnel type that suits your business model. Customize each step of the funnel to reflect the customer's needs. Incorporate engaging visuals and compelling copy to enhance user experience. Set up automated emails to nurture leads at different stages. Integrate a customer relationship management tool to track interactions. Test each step of the funnel to identify any obstacles. Analyze conversion rates and user feedback to make data-driven adjustments. Create additional content to educate and guide customers within the funnel. Continuously monitor performance metrics to identify trends. Refine your customer journey map based on ongoing insights and feedback. Ensure that every touchpoint reinforces your brand values and messaging. Tweak your funnel as necessary to optimize the overall experience. Leverage A/B testing to compare different strategies for effectiveness. Stay updated on best practices in customer journey mapping and funnel optimization. Cultivate a seamless transition from one stage of the journey to the next. Remember that optimizing the customer journey is an ongoing process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.